What's up guys? Today we're making cloud cake. Pause the video here to see all the ingredients necessary. Great. In addition to all these ingredients, we also need whipped cream, and in my latest video we cover how to make this. Check it out. Now, to get started, we have to melt some chocolate and some butter. The easiest way to do this is to place your chopped chocolate in a heat-proof bowl over a saucepan of water on medium heat. Now, once the chocolate's about halfway melted, we're gonna add the butter, just because it melts faster. And once it's all mixed up, it's time to move on. And now it's time to mix our whole eggs with our granulated sugar. Super simple, don't overthink it. Use a whisk and whisk it. Whisk it till it's thick. This is where it gets slightly technical. We need to fluff up our egg whites in a stand mixer, or with a hand mixer if that's all you got, at a medium speed. And once you start getting these small bubbles, just like this, it's time to add just a pinch of cream of tartar to stabilize the egg whites. And once it foams up just about this much, we're gonna slowly introduce granulated sugar, making sure not to deflate it. And that's about it. Now let's really get mixing. Starting with pouring the chocolate mixture into the egg, once it's cooled of course, give it a quick mix, but don't forget the vanilla extract. Once this is done, we'll add half of the egg whites, and we'll fold it in so as not to pop the bubbles. And when there are no more streaks, we can fold in the second half. Be nice and gentle with this. We really want to keep this batter nice and inflated. Now, with an 8-inch springform pan and the baking spray of your choice, we're gonna get that pan nice and lubed up because this cake will bake onto it otherwise. When we're ready, it'll go in the oven preheated to 350 degrees Fahrenheit for about 30 minutes. And now, it would be the optimal time to make your whipped cream. Check out that video. We also need to make our cherry sauce. So let's get our cherries into a saucepan along with any accompanying juices. We'll also add our granulated sugar and our cornstarch, and we'll mix this at medium heat until thickened. It'll probably only take a couple minutes and look something like this. It'll also smell really good. Finally, now that the cake is baked and it has cooled for at least an hour, we can remove the springform and top it with our cherry sauce. Of course, next is our homemade whipped cream, followed by some shaved chocolate, and of course a cherry on top. And now, my favorite part, time to try it. And let me tell you, this is the fluffiest cake ever. I urge you to give this a shot. It's a wonderful cake, and everyone's gonna love it. Thanks for watching.